The purpose of this video segment is to provide a basic understanding of the 1 repetition max test protocol as recommended by the National Strength and Conditioning Association. The 1RM is used to assess maximal strength and is defined as the greatest amount of weight that can be lifted with proper form and technique for a total of 1 repetition. The relationship between load and repetitions is inverse. Once the 1RM is established, there are percentages that can be used to prescribe a specific number of repetitions. The 1RM is intended for those individuals who have intermediate or advanced experience with resistance training and understand the technique involved with this form of lifting. The 1RM test was designed to be administered with free weight equipment. All normative data is based off of core or multi-joint free weight exercises. When testing repetition maximum for the squat or deadlift, a standard power rack is required as well as a Texas standard bar with a set weight of 45 pounds. A standard bench press is required for the 1RM bench press. This is the lift we will use to demonstrate the standard test protocol for this video. Safety is a primary concern during the administration of any 1RM test. Always use a spotter of similar strength and size, inspect your equipment prior to use, and always use safety clips. We will now review the 1RM testing protocol. Start by having the client warm up with a light resistance, allowing for no more than 10 repetitions. Throughout all lifts, encourage that the client maintain a neutral or straight spine by not arching the back. Weights should be moved at a speed that the individual can maintain control and proper lifting technique, and maintain breathing with each repetition. Once the set is complete, provide a 1-minute rest period. As the client moves through the protocol, increments of 10 to 20 pounds for the upper body or 30 to 40 pounds for the lower body are recommended between sets. For this set, the client should use a weight that will allow for a maximum of 3 to 5 repetitions. A spotter should always be used, but never assist with any of the repetitions, as this will lead to overestimation of strength. Once this set is complete, a rest period of 2 minutes is recommended. After increasing the weight again, the client will perform a maximum of 2 to 3 repetitions, followed by a 2 to 4 minute rest period. The client is now instructed to attempt the 1RM. If successful, they should rest for 2 to 4 minutes before reattempting with a higher weight. This step should be repeated no more than 1 to 3 times to achieve a maximal 1RM. If the client fails, which is defined as the inability to complete the concentric phase for that exercise, then reduce the weight by 5 to 10 or 15 to 20 pounds for the upper and lower body respectively. Rest 2 to 4 minutes and reattempt the 1RM. There are several assumptions that need to be addressed when testing for the 1RM. The initial testing method was designed for free weight lifts, which focused on fit male subjects. This may be problematic when using a 1RM for populations such as female clients or the elderly. The use of variable resistance equipment or single joint lifts targeting smaller muscle groups may also overestimate strength. Other methods used to estimate the 1RM include prediction equations or estimates of higher rep max testing such as the 5RM. This video is not intended to take the place of any professional certification or guideline, nor does it claim to prepare the client or health fitness professional to administer actual 1RM testing for any exercise. For those who have known cardiovascular or musculoskeletal injury, you should consult with a physician prior to exercising.